First question, your doubt. Sin A plus cos B is equal to 1. If angle A is equal to 30, then find the value of angle B. So we can put the value of A here. It will be sin 30 plus cos B is equal to 1. What is the value of sin 30? How much? 1 upon 2. Yeah. 1 upon 2 plus cos B is equal to 1. Cos B is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2, it will be 1 upon 2. Which angle has the value of 1 upon 2 in cos? Cos 60. Okay. So we can say cos B is equal to cos 60, then B will be equal to 60 degrees. Clear? Now the second question, if x is equal to sin square theta and y is equal to 2 cos square theta plus 1, find x plus 5. Find x plus 5. So you can put the value of x or y in this equation. The x is how much? So what are you doing in your notebook? Don't do anything now. जब मैं पूरा कर दूं और मुझे समझाने दो, जो समझ में आ जाए तब नोट करना. ओके. x plus 5, x is 2 sin square theta plus 2 cos square theta plus 1. The first identity is equal to 1. So we can take 2 as common. It is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. So what is this value? What value of this value is 1 plus, that is 2 plus 1, it is 3. Clear? Third question is, tan A is equal to 3 upon 4. Then find the value of 1 upon sin A plus 1 upon cos A. So for this question, it's easy to solve it like this. Draw the right angle triangle and taking A angle as a acute angle. So suppose it is ABC. This is right angle at B, and since tan A is equal to 3 upon 4. So what is the value for tan A? 10. The ratio of tan is perpendicular upon base. So we can say that perpendicular is 3x and the base is 4x. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the value of hypotenuse. It will be how much? 5x. So by using Pythagoras, we can find the value of AC. Like AC square is equal to BC square plus BA square, 3 square plus 4 square, 9x square plus 16x square, that is 25x square, then square root plus minus 5x. So we can't take the value in negative with the negative sign, so we will say AC will be 5x. Now you have to find the value of 1 upon sin A plus 1 upon cos A. What is the value of sin A for this triangle? Mansi? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it will be 3 upon 5. And for the cos A, base upon hypotenuse, huh? So it will be 4 upon 5. Now you have to find 1 upon sin A plus 1 upon cos A. It will be 1 upon sin A is 5 upon 3. Next question. Mark your doubt. Under root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Find the value of theta. Nishan, would you like to try this question?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you do so? Anyone else?
Under 3 goes again.
No, you can't take it here because it is not out of the range. You can take any value in denominator if it is in, it is common. Anyone else? It's a really nice question. Not difficult, easy one.
Sin cos theta.
What side was it?
Cos theta.
Cos theta.
Next side.
Okay, then
And then
Then you are correct. पलट पलट ना आस्था ओके आस्था no you can't take sin theta as 1 upon cos theta. Sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Clear? Okay Sumit?
Ma'am, we can write under root 3 as the value of tan 60.
No, we can't say
Then
because we don't know the value of theta. So we write it at 10 60, then sin theta minus cos theta. Then what will happen?
Tan 60 can be written down as a sin theta
What is
upon
the
cos.
value of theta? What is the value of theta here? What can you write about in place of sin theta and the cos theta? Fancy? So, huh? No. Why sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1?
Let's discuss.
Here root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Daisy?
Ma'am, we will put the value of sin theta as 1 upon cos theta minus 1 upon sec theta.
Then how can you solve it? Anyone else? Shantanu?
cos को लिखेंगे 1 upon sin theta.
No, cos is not 1 upon sin. Cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. The relation between sin and cos is only this. The sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Thus. Okay, sit down. So for this question, we can take cos theta right here. Like sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now we can take sin theta in denominator of cos. It will be root 3 is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. And what is the cos upon sin? Cot theta. Cos theta upon sin theta is a cot theta. And for which angle the value of cot theta is root 3? 30. So it means cot 30 is equal to cot theta. So theta will be 30. Okay, Mansi? Now the next question is, this is important but easy question of NCERT book. If tan A plus B is equal to 1 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 upon root 3. Mansi, for which angle the value of tan theta is 1? You should learn the table. And the table is very easy. You can write it like this. Angle 0, 30, 45, 60 and then 90. Okay? And these are sine, cos, tan and then cos and second cos. Now we can write here like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll divide all the terms by 4. And make the square root of these values. This is the value for the sine. Like sine 0 is equal to, it will be 0. Sine 30 will be 1 upon 2. Sine 45? 1 upon under root 2. 2 will cancel out, 4 will cancel out by 2 times. Then it will be 1 upon root 2. It will be root 3 upon 2. And 1. So it's really easy to learn the table. And then you can make this table in the backside of your copy. And for the cos, we can change the values from 0 to 90 and 30 to 60. 1, root 3 upon 2. Here say 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 and 0. Or for finding the value of 10, we know that tan is equal to sine upon cos. So divide these terms to find the value of 10. So 10, 0 upon 1 will be 0. 0. 1 upon root 3. 1. Root 3. Not defined. Okay? And 10 is reciprocal of cot. 10. Sorry. Cot is reciprocal of 10. Sec reciprocal of cos. And cosec reciprocal of sine. So it's really easy to learn the table. Okay, now can you tell me for which angle the value of tan theta is equal to 1? 1045. So we can say tan A plus B is equal to 1045. So the first equation 30. Yeah. So it means 10a minus b is equal to 10 30. So a minus b will be 30. A minus b is equal to 30. Equation 2. Now you can use the elimination method, add separate method, so that you can find the value of a and b. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. So now all of you don't have no any doubt from this chapter. So I'm going to ask some questions. Yeah. Asta. Asta.
Then if the value of
Okay, please write down this table. These questions, please write down in your notebook. Write down these questions in your notebook, and after that, you can ask a question. Tomorrow you all will have your maths notebook either fair or wrong. I need your book. Now can I rub this board?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did it make the triangle here? Huh? And where is the last question? Where is this? Where have you done this question? Where is this question? Why you did not do this question? Huh? Now I'm going to rub this board now. Asta, what is the doubt?
if the value of theta equals to 45,
Okay.
what is the value of 2 sec square theta
2 sec square theta
plus 3 cosec square theta?
plus 3 cosec square theta. Okay. So now we will put the value instead of theta we will write here 45. So 2 sec square 45 plus 3 cosec square 45. Do you know the value of sec 45? Sec is reciprocal of cos. So what is the value of cos theta? Cos 45. It is 1 upon root 2. So reciprocate, it will be under root 2. So 2 into root 2 square. Okay. Now cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So what is the value of sine 45? 1 upon root 2, and the reciprocate it will be under root 2. Now can you solve it?
So we will do plus 3 into
Okay.
Okay. Sit down. Any other doubt? No any doubt? No? So can I ask one easy question?
Yes, ma'am.
Tan upon sec a minus 1 plus tan upon sec a plus 1 is equal to, you have to prove it, 2 cos sec a. Who is going to explain? Who is going to explain this question? This is proved a type of question, last exercise type of questions. Nitin,
Ma'am, first we write tan k equal to sin upon cos.
oh, it will become lengthy if we convert it into sin and cos. Yeah, we can solve it by converting into sin and cos, but it will become really lengthy. Mansi,
We can use identity tan a का whole square upon sec a square minus 1 square.
no. How can it say 10 square? It is 10 square. It is 10a. Daisy?
And we can put that as 1 upon cos theta.
No. It will become easy if we convert it into sin to cos, sin upon cos. According to Nitin, Nitin, you was correct. We can convert it into sin and cos and then we can solve it. But it will become lengthy. So that's why I'm not going to ask you this question. Anyone else? Yes, Shantanu.
Sec a को हम 1 upon cos से लिख के LCM ले लेंगे उनका.
Same thing that Nitin was saying. We will convert the values into sin and cos, and it will really solve by using it sin and cos. Other method, anything, other different method, alternate method.
Ma'am, sec a minus sec a plus 1 को identity ले लेंगे.
कौन सी आइडेंटिटी है? कौन सी आइडेंटिटी?
a square.
बच्चा है नहीं ना, sec a minus 1 है ना, sec a square है minus 1 नहीं है.
हम उनको प्लस करते हैं ना.
किनको?
a minus a plus b.
बेटा नीचे प्लस तो डिनोमिनेटर में है, दोनों कैसे कटेगा तो प्लस? साइन कॉस में क्यों हो जाएगा? वो बिल्कुल सही है, उसमें कोई गलती नहीं है.
ऊपर वाले को tan square लिख सकते हैं.
क्यों लिखेंगे? प्लस करना है हमको और नीचे डिनोमिनेटर भी सेम नहीं है.
हम डिनोमिनेटर में कर सकते हैं sec square a minus 1.
बेटा कैसे कर सकते हैं? वैसे स्क्वायर करते हैं किसी टर्म का.
मैं उसमें आइडेंटिटी
मैथ्स है, मैथ्स बैलेंस करके चलना होता है.
मैम बोथ द साइड को रेसिप्रोकल.
आइडेंटिटी तब बनाओगे ना जब बन रही होगी. You can't take both the side. It is proved a type of question. You can take LHS only.
LHS में तो ले लें.
देख LHS लिया. अब क्या करेंगे बता.
हम sec minus a sec plus a.
बेटा ये डिनोमिनेटर के तो अलग-अलग वैल्यूज हैं. आप क्या करना चाहते हो इनके साथ?
हम उनको प्लस करके आइडेंटिटी ले लें.
आप इन दोनों को प्लस करोगे. प्लस कैसे करोगे?
Ma'am, plus one.
कब करना? 2 मिनट बस.
मैम दोनों साइड को रेसिप्रोकल करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं.
नहीं.
दोनों को अगर उसको भी कर दें.
अरे आप बोलो क्या करना चाहते हो?
हम इसमें आइडेंटिटी रख सकते हैं.
क्या आइडेंटिटी तब लगेगी ना जब कुछ करोगे. कैसे लगाओ आइडेंटिटी? चल बोल रही थी.
हम tan square tan
क्या
tan
लिखो?
square a.
tan स्क्वायर लिख लिया आपने.
अच्छा.
मैं लिख रही हूँ sec square minus.
स्क्वायर कहाँ से आया वही तो पूछ रही हूँ.
आइडेंटिटी रखी ना.
So how can you take any value square? It is 2 upon 3. Can you write it like 2 square upon 3 square? So you can't take a square. How can you take it like a square? 2 upon 3 is not equal to the 2 square upon 3 square.
ये कॉमन
Yeah, we can take common. What common?
sec a.
Huh?
tan.
Easily you can solve it by taking LCM of this term. Take 10 as a common term and then within bracket take the LCM of this value. Then you will get sec square upon sec square minus 1. Then it will become 10 square. So you can't make common of any fraction. So we'll continue tomorrow.